Good morning, multimedia students at Bullard. Coming to you live from Anaheim. Well, not live because you'd be watching this video. Anyway, I am at this Linked Learning Conference. So I'm working. Next to Disneyland, actually. That way, I'll probably toss a football right into the backyard. Anyway, I need to put this video here because one of your responsibilities in the next couple of days is to get familiar with one of these video editing softwares, because WeVideo is a little bit limiting in terms of time and that sort of thing. So the one that you're going to get familiar with is this second one, which is the NCH. It's like VideoPad is what it's called. So you're going to download it. So if you click that link right there, you'll be able to download, and it looks like this when you actually start the file. It doesn't require my password. I've tested it at the lab, and this Getting Started guide is something that you're going to need to go through. The Getting Started guide looks like this. And you see that there's 7 sections. I want you to go through all 7 so that you know how to use it. Now, VideoPad and WeVideo are very similar. You'll see that you've got your where you put your files. You've got your tracks, so you've got your video and your audio tracks. This is your preview window, and you've got some functions up here. And just as a reminder, here's what the WeVideo looks like. So a little bit simpler, but same kind of layout, less buttons. But again, with that tutorial, you'll be able to get caught right up, and you can make videos as long as you want. So here's the catch. All this material right here, including clicking on these links, I've already developed a quiz that you guys get to take on Thursday when I come back. So make sure that you are going through and you know the things that are in this guide, because this sequence right here, we're making a sequence video, and this is going to be perfect for you. Anyway, this will be attached to the assignment for you to watch. If your guest teacher allows you to go out and do some scenes, I would suggest doing that as well. And I will see you when I get back Thursday.